think that one will certainly, it's not that I don't enjoy doing the laundry, it's just a question of we're trying to get men to...
आप कितना हेल्प किया करते थे सुहा को?
सुहाग मैं एक्चुअली मैं बचपन से ना, मैं जिस घर में पला बड़ा हूँ, मैंने हमेशा मेरी रुचि रही है, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो या मम्मी की हेल्प करना हो. माई फादर यूज्ड टू आल्सो हेल्प आउट माई मदर. So I've really enjoyed doing this, and in a lot of ways it's made me independent, because when I was living on my own, it really helped to not kind of, you know, shell out the money to hire house help, but do it yourself. It's also kind of really fulfilling to be able to be independent and do your own stuff on your own. And I know कि बहुत सारे लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि यार मर्द पूरे दिन ऑफिस जाते हैं, काम करता है, फिर घर पे आके थका होता है, तो अब कपड़े भी धोएगा क्या? मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अगर मर्द अकेले रहेंगे तो ये कौन करेगा? खुद ही करने पड़ेंगे या गंदे कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे? तो ये फिर ये मान लेना कि जब आपकी शादी होगी तो आपकी वाइफ काम नहीं करेंगी, ये अगर ये ऑलरेडी आपका प्रीसेट नोशन है तो फिर आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट आई एम सेइंग आज हम इस दौर में हैं जहाँ पे यू नो विमेन एंड मैन आर इक्वल व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क. सो आई कैन ऑल्सो से दैट द वुमन ऑल्सो वर्क्स ऑल डे एंड शी कम्स बैक, एंड it'll be great if you can help out at home to have a happier marriage at the end of the day. So I think Ariel's backed that initiative very well by you know, launching this Share the Load movement. So both of us are very happy to be a part of it.
Kunal, but even in the rural parts of India, you know, it is still the same. The woman does the laundry and the man is the master of your house. How do you think this can change?
You know, actually, I have while I was growing up, I've traveled a lot, and my cousin was living in Dehradun, so I used to visit them. All of those boys wash their own clothes, and they lived on their own. So I beg to differ. I mean, I know there are places where men just won't do it, and hence for people like that, we are trying to kind of start this movement to say that. और जैसे आपने कहा, you know, we have these wonderful detergents now that make it so simple. It's not कि पहले बाल्टी में कपड़े धो, फिर उसे बैट से और पूरा साफ करो, फिर उसे टांगो, निचोड़ो, फिर भी दाग नहीं निकलेंगे. You put it in the washing machine, put the powder, धो लिया, ड्रायर में कर दिया, बाहर निकाले, smell really good.
Traditional one is a nice way to exercise your body, right?
It is. So if you look at it that way, then it's great. I mean, that's another. But I don't think now people really want to do that.
Technology makes things simpler.
Yeah.
You said you don't really like doing laundry. You know, given the fact that mother is
God,
not...
you all picked that up.
I
don't want to pick it up.
Given the fact that your mother is still not your husband yet, who does laundry at your place?
My maid. But no, but what I mean is that I'm not someone who enjoys doing it myself. It's not that I don't want to, but I just think that you know, when you're at home, you have a lot of house help and people like that who do things for you. But I think the initiative here was very different. The idea was to say that, you know, men can do it and women can also do it. Working women can also do it. So I think it's not that tiresome anymore. Like they said, it's all there for you. The instructions are all there, so you literally can come home knackered, but you know, you can still, you just have to press a button and everything is done for you.
Right.
So yeah.
Suha and Kunal, you don't have dates at your place. I mean, how is it like?
No, we do have house help, and actually we do a lot of this when we're traveling, and so we, you know, we rent an apartment, we live there, so we'll share the chores there. I mean, she's not very good at cooking, so I do that. She's very good at laundry, so she does that.
Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses, and I think that we should play to them. I do love my clothes. We invest a lot in our clothes, as Masaba was saying on stage as well. It's very important, and so it's very important for those clothes to be maintained well and to look good. So I'm a bit of a control freak, so I like to do laundry. I also feel that it's quite a it's therapeutic in a way to watch, you know, those clothes going round and round in a tumble dryer. Maybe that's just me, but I think that one will certainly, it's not that I don't enjoy doing the laundry, it's just a question of we're trying to get men to say that it's not a woman's job by definition. There's no such thing, and it doesn't make you less of a man to do the laundry, because I think that mindset is very prevalent, especially in India.
Kunal, you're working out a lot, it seems. What's coming?
I generally...
He's using that.
Yeah, actually, I'm washing clothes in the same. Yeah. No, but I like to be fit, and I kind of work out every day.
He's actually very fit. It's just that I think some of you saw a little bit too much of him today.
You're doing a movie on Indira Gandhi assassination, right?
It's actually post Indira Gandhi's assassination. It's on the, yes.
Could you tell us more about it?
Very briefly, because that's not what we're here for today. It's 24 hours set post Indira Gandhi's assassination, set in Delhi, of course, on the 1984 Sikh pogrom that took place, and I get to play a Sardarni.
You know, on a lighter note, who does the laundry between Saif and Kareena?
Who knows? I don't have to ask them.
अच्छा, शादी के बाद जो है हीरोइन की लाइफ जो है एकदम से खत्म हो जाती है, तो आप इस बारे में क्या सोचते हो? मतलब फिल्मों में
चेंज भी नहीं, आपने तो खत्म ही कर दी।
खत्म ही कर दिया।
फिल्मों में दिखना कम हो जाती है, तो उस बारे में आप दोनों का क्या सोचना है?
आई थिंक नाउ थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड। और मेरी अपनी फैमिली में मेरी जो रोल मॉडल है, मेरी जो माँ है, आराधना रिलीज्ड आफ्टर शी वाज मैरिड, जनवरी में। उनकी शादी दिसंबर में हुई, उसके बाद आराधना आई। उसके बाद एक्चुअली मोस्ट ऑफ हर हिट्स हैपेंड। सो आई हैव नेवर सीन दैट इन फ्रॉम द 1960s। आई हैवंट सीन दैट एंड आई थिंक द थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट नाउ।
कुणाल, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आईपीएल की मैचेस बॉलीवुड पर बुरा असर करती है, फिल्म्स पर, बिजनेस को लेकर के, क्रिकेट?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब वो टाइम रहा है, क्योंकि आई थिंक जब शुरू होता है तो इनिशियल फ्यू डेज एंड देन व्हेन जो फाइनल डेज होते हैं तब थोड़ा बहुत फ़र्क होता होगा। बट हमारे देश में क्रिकेट और बॉलीवुड, ये दो एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस, दो रिलीजन है और इन्हें लोग बाकायदा फॉलो करते हैं। और पिछले अब सालों में कुछ हम जानते हैं कि बहुत सारी बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेसेस आईपीएल के दौरान रही हैं। तो अब मुझे पता है कि कई फिल्में तो इस बार दौड़ लगा रही कि नहीं, हम आईपीएल के टाइम आएंगे इस पैच में, क्योंकि इस टाइम लास्ट ईयर ये फिल्म हिट हुई थी। सो आई डोंट थिंक इट रियली अफेक्ट्स द बिजनेस टू मच।
सो आप क्या कहना चाहेगी? क्या
I think now you can record the things that you don't get a chance to see when you want to see them, and you can always see them later. I think I agree with Kunal completely. It doesn't. It maybe in the first few days and maybe the finals, but I think that you will always make time to see the movie that you want to see in the cinema.
Kunal, what are your upcoming projects?
I have a film called Guddu Ki Gun, which is a comedy that will release I think in 2 months. After that, there's another action film with T-Series.
Okay, anything with Soha in the pipeline?
Not yet.
Thank you.